What's up everyone, Philmom is here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on video sharing and messages notification on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now, first grab your phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And then go to your profile at the top right or the lower right corner of the screen. Now from here, click on settings. Inside the settings, find and tap the notifications. This is where you control all the alerts you receive. Scroll down until you see video sharing and messages. Make sure to turn this on so you can receive notifications when someone shares a video with you, sends you a message, or reacts to a content that you've shared on YouTube. Additional information, video sharing and direct messaging on YouTube is an experimental feature which is available primarily in over 30 European countries or regions including Austria, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Sweden as of March 2026. And that's it. Now you're all set to receive video shares and messages on YouTube. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.